So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to the Don Kite Group General Manager, Mr. Brent Hutchinson.
Alan Gray said to me once, geez, as a business, no one really knows how all these cogs come together, but they certainly do come together to prove something that's very unique. Where else would you find someone building a replica of Craig's hut on Sunshine Road? Where else would you have a company making moonshine in the back corner, almost with a big curtain over the backside? And I would love to know if anyone understands how much it costs to insure camels to an event like this, because I certainly don't, so please no one get bitten by the camel. That leads me to my next point. For those who haven't had a look inside the hut, please do. Please have a look around at the history and what we've put together. I would like you to put your hands together for the staff of Don Kites and to say thank you for all their effort this last three years. A gentleman called Bill King passed away only 2 or 3 weeks ago. And Bill was an early customer. He actually helped us tell our story, and his family ran a bus business in suburbia Melbourne, and he took it to Outback Australia. Frank actually sold him the first vehicle that he took on that trip. He would break things. It was Frank's job to source a stronger part or develop a modification that could strengthen that vehicle. And it really embedded things or values that the two of them didn't know at that time, but would make the success of what we call Terrain Tamer today. If you ever came into the Hutchinson family, late at night, Frank would fall asleep. He actually falls asleep with a pen still in his hand and a notepad on his lap and sound asleep snoring as Mum puts a blanket over the top of him. He'll wake up 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, and that same pen in his hand will then be jotting down new ideas or new thoughts that he could do as a company.
To the builders of this hut, as Greg Evans said, he took me up to the original hut, and then I befriended 2 of the builders. One was the architect and one was one of the builders, both representing the Country Fire Authority up there in the high country, and started talking about I'd like to build this hut down here to show the people in Melbourne what it looks like and use it as a museum for our products. So to those people, thanks, you've done a magnificent job. We've watched it getting built. The staff would look out the window every day and see it grow and grow, and now it's come to fruition.
Stuart Charity, ladies and gentlemen, is the CEO of the Australian Automotive Aftermarket Association, and he's here to officially open Terrain Tamer Hut. Stuart? Beautiful. The hut is now officially opened. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming along today.
There was movement at the station, and the word had passed around that the colt from Old Regret had got away and had joined the Wild Wish horses. He was worth £1,000. So all the cracks had gathered to the fray.